take the center cap off, use a straight blade screwdriver. Take that off. Use a 22mm socket, take off the lug nuts. Take the wheel off. Take these 2 caliper bolts out. I'm gonna use a 12mm socket and then a 16mm wrench just to hold the slide from spinning. Loosen these up. Now I'll just use a screwdriver, pry the caliper off. Pull it out, and you can use a caliper hanger and just support it from the upper control arm right there. Just make sure there's no tension on the hose. You can slide it over here. Take the brake pads off, just use the same straight blade screwdriver. And take an 18mm socket, take these 2 caliper bracket bolts out. Take these bolts out and slide the bracket right off. Now take the rotor off. If it's stuck on there, just take a hammer, give it a tap in these areas. Just try not to hit the studs. And it should be loose. Try not to breathe any of that in. And slide it off. We're gonna take the parking brake shoe off. There's a clip right here that's held in with an 8mm bolt. Use an 8mm socket. Take that off. Slide that bolt out. Now we can slide this out, and if you just push the whole shoe assembly down, you can get it to pop off. That lever right there. And this takes a little bit of effort. You don't have to take the axle out to get these off. Just gotta slide one side. Get the other side out, just like that. Just gonna take this adjuster out, take that out, clean that up a little bit. You can use a wire brush. And same with the other side. There should be a pin on that side. Just gonna put some grease on here before I put it back. Put the adjuster side on this side. And when you do the other side, it's gonna be the opposite. And then when this pin's all cleaned up, just put some grease inside there. Get that pin in. Put a lot more grease on that. And the grease will hold it in there. And then slide this on this side. Take the new shoes and just angle this like this. It might take a couple tries to get it right. There we go. Like I said, you really don't have to bend it, just angle it at the right angle. It might take a little practice. What we can do is get this to slide on like that, and then we can move these afterwards. Just get it in the right position. You can try using a screwdriver or even some pliers. Just try twisting this a little bit. Get that to line up. Use the screwdriver. Do the same on the other side. Find the correct hold down that matches the one you took off. Slide that in position with the new bolt. And snug that bolt up. Not too tight. That's good. I'm just gonna clean up this surface right here. You can use a wire brush or some type of grinding wheel. Just be careful. You don't want to take too much material off, just get some of the rust off. Take a little anti-seize, just put it on the hub area right here. When you go to put the rotor on, you may have to adjust the parking brake. You can spin that wheel either forward or backward, and it'll either tighten it or loosen it. Just slide the rotor on. Just make sure it spins good, and then double check with your parking brake and adjust accordingly. Slide the brake caliper bracket in place, put the bolts in. You can use a little thread locking compound on the bolts. Now I'm going to torque these bolts to 122 foot-pounds. Now I'm going to install the brake pads. Make sure you have the brake pad warning indicator facing up on the outside and also on the inside. Now take the brake caliper off, take the hanger off. Now I have to compress the caliper, so use a brake caliper compressing tool. Just compress it really slow. This is going to push the fluid through the hoses, back through the lines, back up to the master cylinder and into the reservoir. Just go nice and slow. All right, that's compressed. Pull the compressing tool out. Now slide the caliper over the brake pads and the bracket. Take the two bolts, install the bolts. You can put some thread locking compound on those bolts. And use my 16mm wrench, 12mm socket. Torque these bolts to 31 foot-pounds. And reinstall the wheel. Put the lug nuts on. Now I'm going to torque these lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a star pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And just go around again, double check. And reinstall the center cap. Now we're going to pump the brake pedal, nice and slow. There's going to be an air gap between the caliper piston and the brake pad, so we want to eliminate that air gap. Once the pedal feels good, then you're all set. Check the brake fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir. There's the min line right there and the max line right there. Adjust accordingly.